In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer service efficiently and in just a few minutes. Whether you need assistance with an order, have questions about your account, or require further support, reaching out to Amazon's customer service can help resolve your issues more swiftly. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, head over to Amazon's main website by typing amazon.com into your browser. Once there, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your Amazon account. After you've entered your email, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, it's time to type in your password. Make sure it's the correct one. Otherwise, you'll need to reset it before proceeding. Once your password is entered correctly, click on Sign In. Successfully logging in will take you back to the home page where you can start navigating to customer support options. On the home page, hover your mouse over Account and Lists, which you'll see also in the upper right section of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will direct you to your account homepage, filled with various options concerning your orders, preferences, and personal information. Next, locate and click on Customer Service. This option might be quite prominent, or you may find it in a list of links or tiles related to help topics. Once you've clicked through, you'll be on the Amazon Help page, a hub of various resources and options to address common issues customers face. Scroll down to find a section labeled Browse Help Topics or something similar. Navigate through the options and click on Something Else, which will direct you to additional choices if your issue wasn't covered in the standard topics. This will bring up a prompt asking if you need help with something else. Go ahead and click that option, as it gives you the path to actually connect with a live agent. You'll then be prompted to connect with an Amazon associate. Follow the simple instructions on the screen that guide you through either starting a chat or setting up a call. Choose the method that best suits your needs. If you require a more detailed or specific query be addressed, calling might be the best option. After choosing to connect by phone, follow any additional prompts which may include verifying your contact details. Soon enough, an Amazon customer service agent will be in touch to assist you with your inquiry. I hope this guide makes your experience in reaching Amazon's customer service smooth and hassle-free. Enjoy navigating these steps and getting the help you need promptly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.